Do you know many people are having trouble with scanning documents to their laptops? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect printer. Ensure your Canon Pixma TR7020 printer is powered on and connected to your laptop, either via USB cable or through a wireless network. Step 2. Position document. Lift the document cover and place your document face down on the scanner glass, aligning it with the alignment mark in the corner. Step 3. Open utility. Open the iJScan utility on your laptop. If not installed, download it from the official Canon website and adjust settings as needed. Step 4. Start scanning. Select the document or photo button to start scanning based on your document type. The scanning process will automatically begin. Step 5. Locate file. Once scanning is complete, locate the scanned document in your computer's designated Save folder, usually under Documents, unless specified otherwise. After following these steps, you can effortlessly scan and transfer documents to your laptop using your Canon Pixma TR7020. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.